In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an opportunity stage in Salesforce. This can be pretty useful when you're looking to streamline your sales process or simply tidy up unwanted stages that no longer fit your current workflow. Let's dive right into it step by step. To get started, make sure you're logged into Salesforce. Once there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon. This is your gateway to the setup options you'll need. Click on this gear icon, and from the drop-down menu, choose Advanced Setup. This will open up a new panel where you'll have access to a variety of administrative tools. Next, you'll be making use of the Quick Find box. This is your search bar within the setup interface that helps you quickly locate the settings or tools you need. In this case, type in Sales Processes. This action will filter the options for you, making it easier to find what you need. Select Sales Processes from the list provided. Now you should see a list of the sales processes that are available in your organization. Find and open the sales process you're currently using. Think of sales processes as templates that define which stages are available for opportunities. Once you open the relevant one, you're one step closer to achieving your objective. Now that you have your sales process open, focus your attention on the selected values box. Here you will see a list of all the active stages assigned to this process. It's essentially a snapshot of the stages that your team uses for tracking opportunity progression. If there's a stage you need to remove, this is where you'll do it. Identify the stage that you believe is no longer necessary for your sales process. Select it by clicking once. Once it is selected, look around for the left arrow, which resembles an arrow pointing backwards or to the left. Click on this left arrow to remove the selected stage from your list of active stages. Finally, doing this isn't quite the end of the process. You need to make sure that your changes are saved, otherwise all your actions up to this point will be lost. Look for the Save button, often located toward the bottom or top of the window, and give it a click. This will save your updated sales process without the unwanted stage. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method for removing an opportunity stage in Salesforce. This can assist in maintaining efficiency within your sales team, ensuring that every opportunity stage you use is truly relevant to your current sales objectives. With these instructions, you should now be able to customize your processes with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.